Hello explorers and welcome back. Uh-oh, it looks like our dinosaur puzzle pieces have gone missing. Could you help me dig for them? Oh, I see a tail. I wonder who this could belong to. I think we'll have to keep digging to find out. Let's see who else we can find. Who's this? This looks like a pteranodon. Let's see if we can find the match. I see one. Do you see one? Wow, that looks like a triceratops. Should we see if it matches this one? It's a match! Okay, so we found our triceratops match. We still have the pteranodon to match. Let's get digging and see who we can find. Oh, what's this here? This looks like a carnivore. It has sharp teeth. This looks like it maybe could be a velociraptor. What do you think? Let's keep digging. Wow, we have to dig deep. Oh, what's this? It looks like a wing. What dinosaur has wings? A pteranodon. Let's see if it matches. It's a match. Okay, explorers, so we still have this velociraptor that we need to match. Let's go ahead and dig and see what we can find. What do you see here? This dinosaur looks like it has plates along its back. That would be the Stegosaurus. Let's put him here and we'll see if we can find the match to the velociraptor or the Stegosaurus. Let me know if you see something. Oh, I see something. This one also has plates on its back. It definitely doesn't match that. Let's see if this matches. It's a match. We still have this silly velociraptor to match. Let's dig and see if we can find its match. Do you see anything? Oh, I see something. I wonder if that's a match. No, that's not a match. Maybe we have to dig really deep to find this velociraptor. Oh, that looks like a match. It's red with black stripes. Let's go see. It's a match. We finally found that silly velociraptor. Now we have a long-tailed green dinosaur to match. This one's orange. That's not a match. Let's see what else we can find. This one looks like it's green. And it has a long neck. Let's go see if it matches. It's a match. Okay, explorers, we only have a couple of dinosaurs left to find. What's this one? They're both orange. Do you think they're a match? Let's see what else we can find. I see one here. This one's also orange. It has stripes. I think this is a match. It's a match. We only have one dinosaur left to find. Let's dig and see who it is. I see something poking out here. Wow, it's another sauropod, which means long-necked dinosaur. It's a match. Wow, explorers, look who it is. Looks like a triceratops, and a patasaurus, and whoa, a T-Rex. Our dinosaurs have come to life. Join us next time where you get to see the world that we build for them.
Please like and subscribe for more videos.